Hello, welcome to Master Fraction Lesson 39. My name is Walter. We are still working with fraction word problem, and straight, let's go and do this question together. Johnny used shillings 48,000, which is equivalent to 4/7 of his salary. Find his monthly salary. Now, given the money which Johnny used is 48,000, this money used, 48,000, is equivalent to 4/7. So, equivalent fraction of money used is equal to 4/7. We need to find the monthly salary of Johnny. So, let the total monthly salary is equal to X. We know that when we take 4/7 of the total amount, which we let as X, we get the amount of money which John used. 4/7 of X, this gives us 48,000. This is equal to 4/7 multiplied by X. This is equal to 48,000. We multiply by 7 throughout. So we are going to multiply by 7 on this side, and then we are going to multiply by 7 here. By 7 we get 1, by 7 we get 1. 4 multiplied by X, we get 4X. This is equal to 48,000 multiplied by 7. Then we are going to divide by 4 both sides. We divide by 4. We divide by 4. By 4, 1. By 4, we get 12,000. 12 multiplied by 7, we get this is equal to 84,000. But we let X as monthly salary, so the monthly salary is equal to 84,000. Let's go to question number 2. It says, how many quarters are there in 40? This is division question. We're supposed to take 40, divide by quarter. Let's go to solution part. This is equal to 40 divided by 1/4. We are going to put 40 as a fraction, so we'll put as over 1. This is equal to 40/1. We are going to keep it. Multiply by, we reciprocate 1/4. That is going to be 4/1. This is equal to 40 multiplied by 4. We get 160. 1 multiplied by 1. We get over 1, which we get 160. So there are 160 quarters in 40. I hope you understand 2 questions that you have done. For more video on fraction, you can check my playlist over here. Thank you very much for listening. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and comment to this video. See you next time. Bye.